The 2004 Kawasaki Vulcan VN2000 boasts an enormous 2053cc V-twin engine, making it one of the most powerful cruiser motorcycles of its time. With such displacement, it delivers massive torque, providing exhilarating acceleration and effortless cruising on the highway. Unlike many cruisers of its era, the VN2000 features fuel injection for precise throttle response and smooth power delivery. This advanced fuel delivery system optimizes fuel efficiency and reduces emissions while ensuring reliable performance across various riding conditions. Hey, real quick, before getting back to the facts, I want to talk about our sponsor. It's us. We have an eBay store where we sell thousands of used parts for a ton of different makes and models. Plus, we have free shipping. Be sure to check us out and see if we have parts for your motorcycle by clicking the link in the description. Despite its classic cruiser appearance, the VN2000 incorporates modern design elements such as sleek bodywork, chrome accents, and deep, lustrous paint finish. Its timeless aesthetic, combined with contemporary features like digital instrumentation and optional accessories, appeals to riders seeking a blend of nostalgia and modernity in their motorcycle. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.